There's a rhythm in the way you breathe beside me, not loud enough to claim the air, but it steadies all the drifting parts inside me, like something always waiting there. No promises carved into forever, no need to name what we became, just a quiet thread we pull together, unseen but never frayed. You don't reach to pull me any closer, still I never feel alone. In the silence something growing slowly finds a place to call its own. Not a fire that burns for attention, not a spark that fades away, more like light without direction. Still it finds me anyway, and I don't need a reason I can prove. It's enough to feel it move. I'm held without edges, no start, no end, no words trying harder to make it make sense. It stays in the spaces we don't defend, a soft kind of truth I don't have to pretend. Every time the world turns unfamiliar and I lose what I can't hold, there's a trace of something gentler in the things we never told. Not a rescue, not a shelter, still it carries me through, like a shape I can remember even when I'm not with you. And I don't need to chase what doesn't leave, it's already here with me. I'm held without edges, it bends but won't break, no fear of it fading with each breath I take. It lives in the moments you don't try to make, a quiet kind of promise you never have to say. When everything we know dissolves to nothing, and every name we gave it disappears, still something stays without becoming anything shaped by all our fears. It doesn't ask to be remembered, doesn't fade when we let go. Somewhere deeper than forever, it's the only thing I know. Still held without edges, beyond what we planned, no need for a future we don't understand. It rests in the touch that never demands a truth you can feel but can't hold in your hands. I'm held without edges, it's already mine, no measure of distance, no line after line. It stays even when we're out of time, a love that was never designed to be defined. Waves draw lines on the shore then fade away. My footprints follow, but they never stay. A cafe chair beside the sea, one cup for you, one left for me. lost along the way. I write it down, it disappears like salt and sand, like passing years. If I could send you all I've seen, would you still know what I mean? Postcard from nowhere, signed with my heart. No street, no number, just where we are. A letter that drifts beyond repair. Still I'm writing you from nowhere. Markets close, the lights grow thin. Guitars are playing soft within. Every song reminds of then, and I almost start again. If love could find an open sky, would it still learn how to fly? Postcard from nowhere, sealed in the rain. No words can carry all that remains. A letter that dreams you might still care. Still I'm writing you from nowhere. Maybe it's not goodbye, just a bend in time. Maybe our roads were drawn between the lines. I'll keep this pen and let it fall where no one reads it all. Postcard from nowhere, folded and torn, sent to a place where hearts are reborn. A message that floats on ocean air. Still I'm writing you from nowhere. Postcard from nowhere, faded and true. All that I lost still points to you. And though there's no answer anywhere, I'll keep writing you from nowhere. Neon stains the window pane. Your breath cuts through the noise. We don't talk about the truth, we let the silence choose. Your eyes avoid my name like it's already known. Every lie we never say feels dangerously close. Crowded room, we stand alone, skin against the doubt. Every touch is asking things we're too scared to shout. I don't need a promise, I don't need a sign, just the way you hesitate right before you're mine. Don't pull me closer, don't let me go. We sink our hearts at a tempo we both know. Say my name and draw the line. I'm finding shape inside your eyes. In this blood and broken light, you get my shadows and outline. I don't care if we collapse, I don't care if this is wrong. If this feeling's all we have, then I've known it all along. Every goal we ever learned feels useless here. I don't want forever words, just want you near. You're not asking for the truth, you're asking if I stay. And I'm shaking at the thought of choosing anyway. I don't need saving, I don't need proof. I just need you wanting me the way I want you. Say my name and break the doubt. We're bleeding meaning out loud, incomplete but intertwined. Trace it over every outline. I'm afraid but I'm alive, standing right inside the flame. If I lose myself tonight, I'd still do it all the same. but your silence feels true. If this is how we fall apart, I wanna fall with you. We don't need a reason, we don't need control. Some things only make sense when you let them go. Say my name, undress a lie, I'm trembling under your eyes. Every fear I tried to hide bleeds into an outline. I don't need a perfect truth, I don't need to be made light. If I'm breaking here with you, let me break inside this light. Say my name, don't look away, let it ruin us today. In the center of the dam, we finally found our outline. No escape, no alibi, just your breath against mine. If this love is undefined, I'll still call it mine. The colors on the sidewalks fade, like all the plans I meant to make. Another calendar page turns slow. I'm holding on, but I don't quite know if I'm the one I wanted to be, or just a shadow trailing me. My coffee's getting cold again. I overthink what might have been, but in the quiet I hear a spark, a little glow beneath the dark, a promise whispering through the air that maybe I'm still getting there. And I feel the weight of what I missed, but something tells me I can live with this. So I'll breathe in what's left of the fading year. Every doubt, every hope that brought me here. If the past slips away, then let it go. I'm learning slow, 'cause a trembling heart can still be brave even when it breaks. The nights are growing soft and long, but I keep humming half-made songs. I'm standing on the edge of change. It feels familiar yet so strange. Still there's a pull I can't deny, like something brighter wants to rise. And though I fear the things I can't see, I feel a newer version waking in me. So I'll hold what remains of this fading year. All the cracks, all the laughter, all the fear. If the past drifts away, then let it be. I'm finally free. 'Cause a trembling heart can start again, even when it bends. Maybe all the time I thought I lost, let me hear no matter what the cost. And if tomorrow calls my name, I'll run to it without the shame. So I reach for the end of this fading year, where the hopes I'd buried reappear. Let the past fall